At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an adult daycare can be a rewarding venture, as it provides essential services to the community while also offering a potentially profitable business opportunity. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Conduct market research to understand the demand for adult daycare services in your area. Identify your target demographic, such as seniors, individuals with disabilities, or those needing respite care. Research local regulations and licensing requirements for adult daycare facilities in your area. Each region may have specific rules regarding staffing, facility size, safety standards, etc. Develop a business plan outlining your services, target market, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plan. 2. Choose a location. Select a suitable location for your adult daycare center. Consider factors such as accessibility, proximity to public transportation, parking availability, and zoning regulations. Ensure that the facility meets safety and accessibility standards, including wheelchair accessibility, proper lighting, and emergency exits. 3. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Obtain the required licenses and permits to operate an adult daycare facility in your area. This may include business licenses, zoning permits, health department approvals, and fire safety inspections. Familiarize yourself with regulations governing staffing qualifications, staff-to-client ratios, and health and safety standards. 4. Develop policies and procedures. Establish policies and procedures for your adult daycare center, covering areas such as admission criteria, daily schedules, meal plans, medication management, and emergency protocols. Develop a client agreement outlining the services provided, fees, payment terms, and other relevant terms and conditions. 5. Hire and train staff. Recruit qualified staff members, including caregivers, activity coordinators, nurses, if needed, and administrative personnel. Provide thorough training to your staff on topics such as client care, safety procedures, communication skills, and relevant regulations. 6. Create a safe and comfortable environment. Furnish your adult daycare center with comfortable and functional furniture, recreational equipment, and activity materials. Ensure that the facility is clean, well-maintained, and equipped with safety features such as handrails, non-slip flooring, and first aid kits. 7. Develop programming and activities. Plan a variety of engaging activities and programs to meet the physical, social, and cognitive needs of your clients. Consider offering activities such as arts and crafts, music therapy, exercise classes, games, and social events. Tailor your programs to the interests and abilities of your clients and encourage their participation and feedback. 8. Market your services. Develop a marketing strategy to raise awareness of your adult daycare center and attract clients. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing tactics, such as creating a website, social media presence, flyers, brochures, and local advertising. Network with healthcare professionals, social service agencies, senior centers, and community organizations to generate referrals. 9. Launch your adult daycare center. Once everything is in place, officially launch your adult daycare center and start accepting clients. Continuously monitor and evaluate your operations to ensure quality care and client satisfaction. Stay updated on industry trends and regulations, and be prepared to adapt your services accordingly. Starting an adult daycare center requires careful planning, dedication, and a commitment to providing high-quality care and support to your clients. By following these steps and staying focused on your mission, you can create a valuable resource for your community while building a successful business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.